How's it going down there, guys?
Alright, just hold on a second, everybody. Just hold on until I... Alright, I'm gonna have to go this way.
Go ahead. It's a little treacherous.
A little? I'm thinking of bringing your mother. Are you kidding? These people here want to see this thing. Are you trying?
I am.
I hope this is worth it. That's all I said.
Oh, it's worth
Go down.
It's worth it. Oh, good.
Wait. Guys, just wait now, okay?
Oh, cool.
Oh, I see. There's like a little pool of water there. And then it goes whoosh and whoosh. Which way should we go? That way or this way? I think we should just stay put now. What? We're not even going to go near the water?
Why? Just wait a second.
Let these people go ahead of us because they're going to go faster than we are. Just wait. Yeah, it's our fault. The ones who are being slow.
Take your time. Take your time.
The people aren't going this route, are they?
No, we're just going to go down to the water here.
Oh, okay.
They're going across.
Well, don't shoot that. I didn't. You did. Look at St. Watch out because there's a cliff there. I know. I'm watching. I just don't go over anything. I won't. That's as far as you could go. Okay. Oh, I can't get any water.
We'll get some water. Don't worry.
It's like a pool of Eden.
It is.
I can't take your own route. Don't go too far.
One what? What?
You're going to sit like that? No. I'll just want to show it to us.
How's it going there, Tina?
Be careful because people are coming over the road.